In this video, I'll show you how to display the calendar in the Linux terminal using the cal command, a simple and useful tool for quickly checking dates. To display the calendar for the current month, just type cal. It will show the current month with the current date highlighted. However, on Ubuntu and Debian-based systems, the date may not be highlighted. If that happens, use the ncal command instead. To display the calendar for a specific month, use the -m option followed by the month's name or number. To display the calendar for the whole year, use the -y option. You can also specify a year to show the calendar for that year. Another option is -3, which displays the current month's calendar along with the previous and next months. Finally, to display the calendar for a specific month of a specific year, type cal followed by the month and the year without any options. And that's how you can quickly display the calendar in the Linux terminal. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Linux tips and tutorials.